Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDF.js. First, you'll need to download the library from its official source, typically a compressed file containing the necessary JavaScript files. Once downloaded, extract the contents and place them in your project directory. You'll primarily interact with two main files, PDF.js and pdfworker.js. These files are essential for the core functionality, enabling your web application to parse and render PDF documents efficiently within the browser environment. To embed a PDF viewer, begin by including the PDF.js and pdfworker.js scripts in your HTML file, usually within the head or before the closing body tag. Next, create a canvas element in your HTML body. This will be the visual container for your PDF. Then, using JavaScript, initialize PDF.js, specify the path to your PDF document, and instruct the library to render the first page onto your canvas. This setup provides a basic, functional PDF display. Loading and displaying pages involves a few key steps. First, use the pdfjs lib. Get document function, passing the URL of your PDF file to asynchronously load the document. Once the document is loaded, you can access individual pages. For example, to get the first page, you would call PDF document, get page 1. Finally, to make the page visible, you'll render it onto a two-dimensional canvas context, specifying the desired scale for optimal viewing. Beyond basic viewing, PDF.js offers advanced features. You can implement navigation buttons to move forward and backward through pages, enhancing user experience. Customization extends to adjusting the zoom level, allowing users to magnify or shrink the document view, and even rotating pages by 90-degree increments. Furthermore, you can integrate text selection and search capabilities, enabling users to interact more deeply with the PDF content directly within your web application, providing a rich and interactive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.